Product outweighs talent. We got noodles, we got rice, we got flour, we got pancake. I'm following behind the movement of Reginald Lewis. Today is birthday, man. Happy birthday. We got to celebrate him. This is probably one of the first African-American billionaires that I know. Before Oprah Winfrey, before Bob Johnson, this guy did it the grocery store business, the same way we doing it with the packaged food goods. This is a pack. Get it legit. I'm gonna show y'all how to get it the right way. You know what I'm saying? That's that candy apple. People compare us to Apple Jacks, but no, y'all see how small Apple Jacks is. This that candy apple. Y'all see how big? That's the Hootie Hoos. I remember Snoop told me that he loved Captain Crunch. I'm like, nah, we gonna do it right, Snoop. That's that Snoop Crunch. You know what I'm saying? Get our stuff the same factory. We make it better. Hootie Hoos. It all depends who you want to buy it from. You want to buy it from them or you want to buy it from us. The more we make, the more we give. That's what's different about us. February 15th, this is history. Black history. That's the Master Crunch. And this the hip-hop edition. Nobody's seen that yet. So like I said, if I could do it, you could do it. I just want to create more bosses out there.